So here we got my 2014 Toyota Tundra Limited, and today we are going to install a bed rack. This bed rack was purchased on Amazon. The brand name is called Hooke Road. It's an 18.8 inches high on the back. And here are some of the tools that you will need. Don't need much. I found that a socket wrench and a drill was all that you needed with a T40. So these brackets here, it's a little bit confusing. They do need to slide into these sliders. The only way to do that was to remove the whole entire bracket out, slide those back in, and then you would be able to have them in there inserted. I found it best to install these three sections on the tail of my truck and then raise them on and install them onto the frame of my truck of the bed. Once all three of them were on, and then I would be able to go ahead and attach them. This helped out and prevented really realigning and taking anything apart and having to reinstall it again. So it really just saves time. I was really impressed with the quality of this build. The steel finish of it's really nice. Steel's really nice and sturdy and thick as well. Really happy with how everything's turning out. Another tool you might need is a rubber mallet, just to kind of hit this thing without damaging the finish of the material. And it just needs to be hit and moved ever so slightly. Once everything's aligned and on, I put bolts on and just hand twisted it on so everything's kind of loose. But once everything looks square, fitment's on tight, that's when I really started to tighten everything and getting everything drilled in really nicely. The truck did come with these nice little rubber inserts to kind of prevent any vibration in the car. Those will just slide underneath before obviously you tighten any of the bolts to the truck. But yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's pretty solid, and here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Really like what it looks like, and I can't wait to add any more parts and overlanding gear to this truck build.